Somebody in the neighbours is copying me. What did I have to eat? I had quiche. Quiche, look. Hey. And I'm sneezing. People think it might be no. They think it might be a lactose problem. A lactose allergy. I'm not sure about that. Because I tried lactose milk for a while. Lactose-free milk. And I still sneezed. Oh. It's quite funny. I don't have a stomach anymore, but I still get those like that butterfly feeling in your stomach when you're gonna sneeze. But I don't have a stomach. I still get the feeling. So I can now understand why when people have lost a limb, they still feel that they've got the limb. I have no idea what I'm going to call this video. Lost a limb? I don't know. Well, this is a good one. And I'm not sitting in the sun. So it's not the sun causing it. It's going to be a hot one this weekend. It's now 28 degrees C, which is about 96 F. And tomorrow's going to be over the 100 F in the weekend. 30 degrees C. Anyway, I think it stopped. Have a great weekend, all. It's not stopped. It's not stopped. Thought it had stopped, but it hadn't. Anyway, have a great weekend, all, and stay safe. Bye. Thanks for watching.